Welcome to Keto Health 101, where we strive to provide you health videos that can bring amazing health benefits to your daily meals. Is cooked cabbage good for weight loss? Cabbage is beneficial in both losing weight and having beautiful skin. A cup of cooked cabbage contains only 33 calories, and it is low in fat and high in fiber. Cabbage also helps maintain a healthy, even, flawless and glowing complexion. It is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. The purpose of the cabbage soup diet is to restrict calories by severely restricting food intake. A low-calorie diet with a higher fiber content in vegetables, fruits, and cabbage helps a person's stomach work properly, making him lose belly instantly. Cabbage is a healthy, low-calorie vegetable that you can add to your daily diet, especially when your end goal is to lose some pounds quickly. Nutritionists say that the cabbage soup diet can help you lose up to 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, in just 1 week. So, what is the cabbage soup diet plan? As the name implies, a cabbage soup diet is a diet plan for 1 week usually, in which you eat almost nothing but homemade cabbage soup. Now, it doesn't mean that you don't eat anything else during this Weight Watchers cabbage soup dieting period. Here is a quick list of what you can eat in your cabbage diet and when you should eat it. Day 1. Eat only fruit, except bananas. Day 2. Eat leafy greens vegetables, but no fruit. Day 3. Eat a mix of fruits and vegetables. Day 4. Bananas and skim milk. Day 5. Eat beef, or baked chicken without the skin, and tomatoes. Day 6. Eat a mix of beef and vegetables. Day 7. Brown rice, unsweetened fruit juices, and vegetables. Remember, this eat list is well thought of and recommended by nutritionists. By following this Weight Watchers cabbage soup diet plan, you are actually taking all of the necessary minerals and vitamins needed for your body, and most importantly, you are taking these minerals and vitamins at the right time when these are needed. This Weight Watchers cabbage soup diet is called the restricted diet. You know why? Because by following this diet, you are restricting your eating habits by all means. Okay, now let me share the main recipe of Weight Watchers cabbage soup recipe. Here are the required ingredients for this soup. 3 cups chicken broth minced. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 2 cups chopped cabbage. 1 to 2 green onions. 1 to 2 cups chopped carrots. 1 to 2 cups green beans. 1 to 2 cups chopped zucchini. 1/2 teaspoon basil. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Salt and pepper as you like. Here's how to prepare this dieting soup. Grease the pot with non-stick cooking spray, onion, carrot, and garlic for 5 minutes. Add broth, tomato paste, cabbage, green beans, basil, oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until vegetables are tender, then add zucchini and boil for another 5 minutes. You can try different variations. For example, leaving green beans, and adding the yellow onion in addition to the chopped green onion. On this 7-day cabbage soup diet, you follow a specific meal plan each day. With these foods, you can have cabbage soup as often as you like. This soup is also called Wonder Soup, Miracle Soup, and Weight Loss Soup. Many names for this one soup. Drink it for the whole week and shed all of your extra weight you are carrying. And that's it for today's video about Weight Watchers cabbage soup recipe and 0-point cabbage soup diet. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting health videos, check out our channel. We share healthy videos on our channel that can help you maintain your health and body. To show your support, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We need your support.